Welcome, today I'm showing how to customize quick launch into a Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. First of all, open your settings and find additional settings option, this one. In this, here we got button shortcuts, and here will be all additional quick launch settings. So, for example, first option is launch camera. Maybe now I got none. Maybe turn on this option to double press the power key back. Then take a screenshot. You can choose, for example, side 3 fingers down, or another option, maybe combination with power and home key, or long press for back button, and another. And for example, allow the Google Assistant. What else? Maybe show menu, turn on touch, and another quick launch option. And for saving, for example, turn off screen, you can choose your option, replace, and for saving, click back, and it saves automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.